Well, I don't know if you can be able to see that or not. I hope you can, but I found my clipper thing, what do you call these things? Brace removers or whatever they're called. And if I've also got one of these things. If you guys don't have one of these, man, you should get one. Link in description below. My strap broke, but I put it together with my synthetic imagination. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and remove this thing. He said you're supposed to have your doodads on, glasses, but it's gonna be kind of hard to see that release pin there, but it's in there. So if you don't have enough light, I'd say get some more light. I got me a little light here that's hopefully going to shine enough for us inside so that I can see that pin. And once again, the problem is, in my case, I can't see that thing where it starts and ends, so I'm sort of just feeling around in there. And at the same time, I'm watching to see if I can get a catch on it. This tool I have here may not be able to do it. I may have to alternate the tool. Let's try it this way. This is going to be a hard part for me anyway. This is a hard part. Yeah, this is difficult. So I've got some more tools in here. I'm going to give these a try. This one here, I don't know, they look the same. Look the same. It's a little bit longer though. Yeah. So let me get this tool on here. Yeah, it's hard to say these things. I don't know if you could see that or not. Oh, I got this special thing here that I have to take off to try and prep the tool. Let's see. Try it like that and see what happens. Happening here, but I'm gonna try it. Got all kind of light here. Problem is not the light. Problem is I just can't see. There it goes. Got it. Now I'm squeezing it together. That's the reason why you should have on your stuff. Let me try another tool here. Let's see. Try this one. Oh boy. This one, I'm gonna try this one this time. Some kind of hook or something, I don't know. Yeah, I know. I can hear him too. Alright, let's see if I can hook it again. Nope, can't do it because it's not long enough. On his video, he had one that was short. Sorry about the robot, guys. People, folks. We have to have robots in our lives. Alright, so these doesn't seem like they want to work. Let's see if I can find me a longer one. Found two more over here. I don't think either one of these are going to work. It's a nice little tool set there. I think that I should stick with these. Because it came off, it just wasn't wide enough for some reason. When I tried it, it'd be nice if I could put them down here. You can't see that, can you? So that might stretch it wider. But let's see if I can hook that joker with this. Go the other way. Okay. Got it again. I thought I had it. That's not working. What a pathetic person I am. Oh man, I tell you. Guess I could. So I need to get me a microphone because I don't like talking loud. It takes up too much of my strength. Old guy like me try to conserve his strength for his young girl, sweetheart. That's where you want your strength to go. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Let's get it one more time. That pen. Let's turn it around. Dang. It's not supposed to be that difficult. Lack of experience, not the right kind of tool, or a poor quality tool. That's probably what it is. Because I'm clipping it, but it comes loose. See, it's opening now. See that? That's what you don't want to go in your eyeball. It's gonna hurt like hell. I don't know why that thing is not clipping. It's not clipping because it's not long enough to stick in there. And the one he has is a long one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine these two. I'm going to take this long one here, set it in here, underneath here, and see what happens. That's what they call it, man, just learning how to work the tool. He has another tool that I'm going to buy on the internet. I'm not going to make it because, hell, first of all, I ain't got no steel stuff. It's a depression tool or something like that. Alright, so that's off. This off. Take this off. Let's see. Let's put this here. You guys, I don't know if you guys can't see that, I don't think. Let's see, okay. I have to remember to keep doing that. And now I'll put this one on top of that. Like this. See how I combine that together like that? I combined the two of them together. It's crazy, but that's worked. I need a longer reach. I've had this tool for forever. I don't know how long I've got this tool. It's been a long time though. I got a lot of tools. Need to organize them. Alright. This bad boy does not want to go on here and stay. Okay. Now let's try it. See? Look at that. See, I've extended it. I've extended it. Alright, let's go. Now, I got it. I thought this thing for the last time I was inside this transmission. See, it opens, but it doesn't quite open far enough. Don't get it. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. I know you guys are tired. Looking at a old guy struggle with this stuff. Now this doesn't want to come out. Isn't that just depressing? Alright. What you can't do with your hands, get yourself a tool. I think it's just best to buy one that's just long enough already. That's what I think. I don't know about these combinations and stuff. But in my case, I don't want to buy it. And if you haven't bought one, I'd say it's just best to buy a whole set when you ain't got to worry about all this combination valve looking stuff. Look at that. If you're not looking at the screen, I'm showing you that I'm combining this tool together with another tool to try and get up in there and get that thing which I cannot see. Okay, I've got a grip on it. It's much easier, but it will not clear. It's like, what are you doing, mister? This thing has grabbed and reached and grabbed my... Now I gotta get a screwdriver. Oh boy. What if they feel like this when they're operating on us? So, I wonder if you guys are going to fall into, going to come across this little issue that I got, boy. Now, let's try this again. See, I can get it off, but it ends up slipping off the tool back onto the journal. So I am having a problem here. And lack of everything. It's not gonna get it. Let's see, this try it backwards. No, backwards ain't gonna get it. Thing about it is it expands, but it ends up slipping. Off. I wonder if I can... Wish I had my picks. I could reach down there with another tool and grab it as it clears the journal slightly. Because this is no joke, guys. Folks. See how long it's taking me to do this? Okay, it's expanded. It's expanded, but this tool doesn't expand it far enough to go all the way out. It gets caught in the gears. And I have to go in here and put it out. So, now that I have a bad back, I'm going to pause it, and you guys know what I got to do to get this out. When I come back, it's going to be out.